J Mac from Syracuse, New York, man. Came all the way out to see my Colorado Buffs.
What channel do you watch? They brought you out here.
The Pregame show.
Never watched the college game till last season when Coach Prime came to Colorado. And I am in Colorado at Folsom Field. I am the Colorado Buffaloes auntie from Texas. Sweet treat.
Hey, I've been following the Pregame show. It's all about let's go Buffs.
Way from Texas, yes sir. Watch you every single day. Nobody lays it down like Uncle Neely and the Pregame show.
Neely, Pregame show behind the scenes of everything. And why does he get that kind of access? Why does he get that kind of access? Because trust is involved. You would never get the kind of access you desire unless there's trust and relationship. You're trying to put your up on game.
Oh, my man, I'm looking forward to next year, baby.
So, man, we got to get back here, man. I'm enjoying this feeling too much right now.
Keep doing your thing. We got one of the seniors. How you feeling?
I feel great, man. I'm ready to do it, man. I'm ready to do it.
Love, cuz.
Oh, love.
Got another one of the seniors on the way out. How you feeling?
Feel great. Last one, best one. Last one, best one.
They gonna see some Will Shepherd action today?
It's a must. You see the cleats?
Get the cleats, get the cleats, get the cleats. Get the cleats. My fave, Jimmy Horn Jr., how you feeling?
Feeling good, man. Last game, about to put it all on the line. It's the last lap.
I'm predicting 2 touchdowns, Jimmy Horn Jr.
I predict the same, about 215 yards.
Much love, brother. We got the Block Bully doing his thing. Block Bully, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great, man. It's my last game with my boys. We finna show out, give y'all a show.
We just a couple of hours from the crib, baby. Houston is in the house.
Oh, they everybody here. The whole family's 20 deep, man. It's exciting, man. I can't wait to show them what they ain't been able to see all year, man. So
You already know how I feel about you, man. Much love. Do your thing today.
man, I love you, for real.
Shane Cokes is in the building. I'm down here with you.
Hey, ready to have a great day today. Great day today, great defensive performance, your offensive performance, all 4 phases. Have fun on my team, man. Last one.
Last one for 99. I love it.
Last one. Let's go get it.
You know how it is. Big 2-1 head of game CEO.
Appreciate you. Hey, man, Big 2 head of game CEO. You know where we at. You know what we do. You know what I do.
Make them know your name.
You know what we about to do. Let's get it. That's back in the day when you could just say whatever.
yeah. Look at that. Got to stop with Charlie O. Charlie O, last one.
Man.
Of the season, what we going to do?
Ball out, man. This is such a blessing.
go for the seniors. Let's go for the seniors. Some of y'all, this is the last time, man. The last time you may strap it up. This is the last time you may put it on. Let's make sure we're proud of what we put on tape. Let's make sure we're proud of our last name on the back. And let's make the name on the front proud. We got that? Sure. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Break it down, camera.
Let's do it, baby. Do it. Hey, last ride, dog. Ain't no tomorrow. Leave it all out here. We leave, empty the tank. Empty the tank. We should be able to walk out this bitch. Empty the fucking tank. Let's do it. Bounce on me. Bounce on 3. 1, 2, 3.
We got some boy that's your last motherfucking go. We got some others, they coming in. Let's set the fucking stage for what the fuck it's gonna be when we hit the fucking field. Y'all understand that? We on motherfucking business today. We standing on business. No fucking prison. Like your boy said, empty the motherfucking clip today. Everybody got that? So guess what? Give me a little bounce. Woo, 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 woo. Bring it up, bring it up. Hey, we came here to fucking dominate, and that's what the fuck we finna do. Dominate on me, dominate on 3. 1, 2, 3, dominate. Let's move it, move it. Go round, go round, go round, go round, go round.
The Heisman Trophy is the biggest award given to a college football player. And Colorado's Travis Hunter is the 6th Alamo Bowl winner. He joins the ranks of other top players including Baylor's Robert Griffin III, Oklahoma's Caleb Williams, Oregon's Marcus Mariota, Nebraska's Eric Crouch, and Michigan's Charles Woodson. Congratulations, Travis. Football fans, we need your help in the Security Service Federal Credit Union Synthetic Song. Visit the Valero Alamo Bowl on Twitter and cast your vote for Shabuzi on our song Tipsy. Chabalone, Hot to Go, Big Extra Plug, Texas, or Journey, Don't Stop Believing. You have until the end of the first quarter to cast your vote.
Built on 100 years of tradition, 10,000 players opt in each year for this one-of-a-kind experience. 1.5 million fans join them in person, while over 95 million fans watch the most interesting celebrations, from the mountains to the desert, the city to the beach, distributing over $100 million to the participating institutions and positively impacting communities across the country. This means something. This is bowl season, a celebration of college football.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the video walls to recognize tonight's game sponsors. Bud Light, HEB, PNC Bank, your San Antonio area Chevy dealers, Security Service Federal Credit Union, USAA, Visit San Antonio. And our title sponsor, Valero. We're changing the game right now.
sure they run around. Make sure they run around. Make sure they run around.
Around the corner, late at night, on one of the rainiest days of the year, is a small black circle making it home to the Laram's 24/7 U.S.-based customer service. We're here to make sure she has the fuel she needs to stay open, because keeping pumps full means keeping business going with communities right now.
Fans down on the field, we hope you enjoy watching the players warm up. Please exit the field and make your way to the stairs as the pregame pageantry is about to begin. Please, fans, exit the field now. Make your way to the stairs. The pregame pageantry is about to begin. Thank you.
There's a multitude of our young men that may never play again. There's a multitude of our young men that's going to go to the next level and soar. There's a multitude of you young men that's going to be dynamic fathers, community leaders, leaders in your own right. There's a multitude of you young men that's going to make it. I don't see anybody that could be connected to this program that would falter, because that's not who we are. In life, we teach you to finish. Whatever you start, you got to finish. You got to complete the assignment. And tonight is completing the assignment. We got to get into double figures with the win column. We've changed the game forever at CU. But it's not just we finishing. For a multitude of you guys that are seniors, this is the beginning. This is your start. This is how you prepare yourself into your destiny. This is how you prepare yourself into your next challenge, your next task, your next life. And those of us that are not in that category, it's our calling to assist them. We got to make it happen for them. We got to make it right for them, because they're giving so much to us. So if we don't do nothing, this ain't about us tonight. This is about them. And this is about these multitude of fans that are blessing us. That everywhere we go, it was like y'all was rock stars when we walked out that hotel today. How we gonna let them down? How we gonna let Miss Peggy down? How we gonna let your mother and father, your peers down? How we gonna let your coaches down? How we gonna let your teammates down? That's not something that I even fathom. We're not gonna do that. Tonight. It's on. Cam, take us there. Cam went out with the captains?
Yeah.
Tell you what. Dozy, I trust you. You tell him to give us our theme music, right? Hey, DJ, give us our theme music. Solid. Good job. Okay, guys.
play and let it fall to the ground. BYU, what's your call?
Tails.
Tails is my call. Tails, Colorado, you want to contest. Colorado has elected to defer.
21 kick. Colorado, you be one.
Colorado has elected to defer. BYU will receive the opening kickoff.
And now, head coach Bobby Sutaki.
Hey, all you fans, fans. Oh boy. Hey, listen up. Right here. We're gonna kick away from 17. We're kicking away from 17. Going 5-5. Get it covered. See your indicator. Now, hey, if they fly outside RJ, I'm right here. If they fly, and that one don't leave, stay out there with it. I got you. Don't let them butt that ball. We don't kick up. My bad. I got you. We lock. We got you. My bad. Let's go. Hey, do it, her. You gotta get it covered. Okay? I ain't gonna beat it up. Hey, listen. Hold up. It's gonna take 3 fuckers. What the clock at? What the guy on the field? No. He's standing out, but he ain't got the time. He's standing right there. There's just no clock. Oh, there you go right there. Okay. Hey, listen. Let's go. Come here. Listen. Threes and fours. Listen. Just remember. That means go away, I'm going. Read your indicators. That means go away, I'm going. Read your indicators. Go away, I'm going. I know going where? BG. Hey, do your job. If you got somebody, do this game for you. Hell yeah. Hey, the outside guy. Let's go. Hey, let's go right here. Let's go! Fuck him, man. Down there on 3. 1, 2, 3. Down there. Let's go! That last play, he point out where they're running to. What it's intended for. To wake you up. Yeah. Shout out, whatever brand that is. Shout out, Bill. Come on, man.
Ball carrier number 20. Quarterback number 3, Jerry Duncan. Upper Gary. Penalties on the goal line. First and goal.
They can't fuck with your speed. But if you don't get off the ball, they gonna block you. Hey, that's all. You got there, get there. That's what I'm saying. Right here. Can't be up the field. That back smack right here, that's damn good shit. Just go. Fuck you back there, go. I know you got all that shit going. Just get back there. Find the ball. Quarterback doing all the spinning around. Right there, you should have seen the ball right there. You got the hole call, that's good shape. It's two hands, Shane. Go through the motherfucker, flip him and go through it. And you could have picked off that puller, right? And now he ain't up there doing that. Come on. Come on. Let's penetrate the goddamn line of scrimmage.
Valero, Executive Vice President, Chief Operating Officer, Terry Simmons, Alamo Bowl Chairman, Clyde Ryder, and congratulating these outstanding achievers representing every participating San Antonio High School. The Valero Alamo Bowl Scholarship Program are funded by the proceeds of the goal-based and programs. Thank you to everyone who helped the Valero Alamo Bowl. Football fans, please direct your attention to the video bowl. Recognize tonight's game sponsor.
Hey, we going Penny. We starting out Penny. Penny. Kodak saw one wise where we starting in Penny. Stay high. Let them eat up the blocks. Mirror the back. Where he goes, you go. Pick that motherfucker and knock his ass back. That's all it's gonna take. All right? Hey, all right? Hey.
Your San Antonio area.
You got to be the group. Who are you in that little bit of person, baby? Let's put this damn file. That's all you got to do, baby. Do your job.
Coach still got 2:30.
We got plenty of time, okay? Make sure we get the communication, the calls out. We got our guy. We matching it. Get to him. Get downhill. Once the blocks get laid up, all right? We got 5 guys on 5 guys, so it should be target practice for you. Just make the play. Understand that? Everybody good?
Away from him.
Understand that.
Away from him.
Just a little bit, just shade over some. What the center is put his inside foot on his outside foot. Everything's about Strike the fucking ball. Either that, if you got a nose, tell him call it. Because you're going to play it until you're going to fucking act like you're going into that bitch and get underneath the bad shit. All right, here we go. Hey, your ass over here, let's go. Right there, fuck yeah, good shape right there. Damn good shape right there at your nose. You getting double, You know you're getting double, it is what it is. Hey, BJ, hell of a job right there, man. You just gotta motherfucking hit that bitch and go. He's giving you hands right there, get on edge. Get on edge.
slate. First down, Cougars.
They outside, man.
And that's the end of the first quarter. Our score, BYU Cougars 10, Colorado Buffaloes 0. Fans, look up. Our friends at HEB have some special deliveries coming your way. Falling from the side. Here they come. Heads up, coming your way.
Let's fucking eat.
Just blend this in there.
That was fine. That was locked, so you didn't have to worry about it. All right, but we're good on that. Just make sure that we're ready to go. All right, listen. We got to go fucking score right here, man. Come on. They can't fuck with us. We got to go score. All the shit is with us. Go for it. We ready to run the wall, all right, and then we check the damn quarterback. When we're ready to get any combos, all right, we got to go. We got to move the shit out of those combos inside. If it's not, if it's a fucked up look, just keep buzzing. All right, buzzing, we're going to pull them on. You should not touch our fucking quarterback. Not let nobody touch the fucking quarterback.
Come on. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hey, Jordan. Don't call the outlaw. So where y'all from?
We up from Miami, Florida.
All the way from Miami.
All the way from Miami.
Appreciate y'all coming, man.
Hey, man, we love what you guys are doing, man. We want to support you in every way.
Appreciate your family.
And we're recruiting at home. Everything we see at home, we bringing it this way.
My man.
You gotta believe. Dude, we've been believing since day one,
That's
dog.
why I gave them to
Remember
you.
back in Jackson State? We've been believing with you in the pregame show.